In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send meeting invite in Outlook. We'll go step by step so you can set up a professional calendar invite that's clear, accurate, and ready to share. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, just log in the way you normally do. Once your inbox appears, look to the left side panel and switch to Calendar. This opens the scheduling view where you'll create your invite. At the top, select New Event. This brings up the event creation window. Start by giving your meeting a clear, concise title. Think of something your attendees will recognize instantly, like Weekly Project Check-In or Client Kickoff. A good title helps people find the meeting later and understand what it's about at a glance. Next, invite attendees. In the attendees field, begin typing names or email addresses and choose the correct people from the suggestions. As you add guests, Outlook can display their availability if you're on the same organization, which helps you pick a time that works for everyone. Now set the time. Choose a start time and an end time that reflect the true duration of your meeting. If you're coordinating across time zones, double-check the time zone shown on the event to avoid confusion. Select the date using the date picker. Make sure the date and time pair up correctly. It's easy to set the right time but the wrong day if you're planning ahead. If you're moving a meeting to a future week, consider scanning your calendar view to ensure it doesn't clash with other important events. Add a description to provide context. This is a great place for a short agenda, goals, key discussion points, and any prep work attendees should do before joining. Clear notes lead to better meetings and fewer follow-up emails. For location, search for a room or type a specific place. If you're meeting virtually, you can enter an online meeting location or paste a video link into the description so attendees know exactly how to join. Keeping the location consistent helps prevent last-minute questions. When everything looks good, click Save to finalize the event. If you've invited attendees, you may see a send option instead. Use that to deliver invitations immediately. Your guests will receive a calendar invite they can accept, and your event will appear on the calendar you're viewing. That's it. You've created a well-structured meeting invite in Outlook, complete with a clear title, attendees, time, date, description, and location. Follow these steps each time, and scheduling will be fast, accurate, and stress-free.